and welcome to the daily newspaper analysis, which is brought to you by LawSikho. So today we only have some news updates and legal news for the day, and we do not have any editorial. Let's see. Firstly, Swedish Prime Minister Magdalena Andersson announces resignation after losing election. So Sweden's Prime Minister has resigned after her government was defeated the election. Magdalena Andersson's center-left bloc lost narrowly to a bloc of right-wing parties. Basically, just remember that this personality, Magdalena Andersson, she belongs to Sweden, and she was the Swedish Prime Minister. As now she has served her resignation, but let's see what happens in the coming time. Secondly, Iran signs formal MOU, that is a Memorandum of Understanding, to join the SCO. So Iran has signed a Memorandum of Understanding to join the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The decision was announced by Iran's Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian. He is accompanying Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi to the city of Samarkand for the SCO summit. Iran will attend the SCO as a permanent member of the summit to be hosted by India next year. On this note, guys, I have a question for you all. What do you think? Is India a member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization or not? If you think, please let me know in the comment section below. Thirdly, Sikandar, Raza, Tahlia, McGrath win ICC Player of the Month award for August 2022. So Zimbabwe's all-rounder Sikandar Raza and Australian all-rounder Tahlia McGrath have been declared the winners of the ICC Player of the Month award for August 2022 in their respective categories. Raza has become the first Zimbabwean international to receive the honors and has been key for Zimbabwe during the month. Fourthly, RattanIndia basically launches its first anti-drone defender. So the defender will be a 70% indigenous product with a 30% import component of the BLDC motor and batteries. The manufacturing will take place at the Throttle Aerospace's Bangalore manufacturing facility. We have Willpower, the inside story of the incredible turnaround in Indian women's hockey. So this is a book basically that has been written by Hoerd Marine. So I hope it's pronounced like that. So former Dutch field hockey player and former Indian women's hockey coach, Hoerd Marine has authored a new book. And we know the title, that is Willpower, the inside story of the incredible turnaround in Indian women's hockey. And the book was published by the HarperCollins Publishers India, and it will be launched in September 2022. And now before moving further with the legal updates for the date, I would definitely like to take the names and applaud the students who have given the right answer in yesterday's newspaper analysis. So Jyoti, Toshika Sharma, Kamal Aneja, Shreya Roy, Kamal Beniwal, Hani Malhotra, Vaishali Verma, Vishal Patil, Ramsha K, Vaishnavi Chauhan, Ritvik Ghosh, and Baikunt Deka. All of them have given the right answer that yes, the headquarters of the Bombay Stock Exchange are located in Mumbai, and there are total 17 sustainable development goals, and they have all been brought up by the United Nations General Assembly. So congratulations, guys, you all have given the right answer. Great. Let's see what do we have for legal updates today. Firstly, Order 1, Rule 10 of the CPC, that is a Civil Procedure Code. Nobody can be permitted to be impleaded as defendants against the wish of the plaintiffs unless court suo moto directs so. And this was held by the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court reiterated that the plaintiffs are the dominus litis, and unless the court suo moto, that is on its own, directs, nobody can be permitted to implead as defendants against the wish of the plaintiffs. This was held in the case of Sudhamayee Pattnaik versus Bibhu Prasad Sahoo. Secondly, right to establish educational institution is a fundamental right under Article 19(1)(g), and it cannot be restricted by executive instructions, says the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court held that the right to establish an educational institution is a fundamental right under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India, and reasonable restrictions on such a right can only be imposed by law and not by an executive order. This was held in the case of Pharmacy Council of India versus Rajeev College of Pharmacy and others. This was all for today. Thank you so much for staying tuned with LawSikho. If you wish to download the PDF of today's slides, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box below, or you can also scan this QR code that you can see on your screens right now. Thank you so much.